Hey guys, welcome back again to our channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing good. So guys, in today's video, we are going to be making nachos. Okay, so she has wait guys, before we start the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you won't miss none of our videos. Okay guys, so for our ingredients today, we have ground beef. My mom already cooked it and put it in the pan and cooked it. She has jalapeno. She has sharp shredded cheese, and she has tortilla chips. Okay, now you're just gonna get like a pan, a large size pan or a medium size pan. You're going to put some aluminum foil on it so it won't get stuck to the pan while making it. And you're gonna lay your tortilla chips on the pan, and you're gonna take your ground beef and put it on top of the tortillas. And now you're gonna take your jalapeno peppers and you're gonna spread it all on the pan too, on the ground beef and the tortillas. And now you're gonna take your cheese too and do the same thing, as you guys can see. And then now we're just gonna repeat it. And now she's putting the tortilla chips on it again, and then she's gonna repeat the whole process, as you guys can see. Guys, doesn't that look so good? Yummy in my tummy. And if you guys are wondering, we just used 2 bags of the tortilla chips. And yeah, you guys can use 1, but that's what we used. And as you guys can see, she's repeating the process. And you guys should definitely try it. Stay tuned to the end, because ooh guys, when I tell you, when I ate it tasted so good. Like, oh my gosh, guys. And yeah, it looks so yummy, guys, doesn't it? Now she's putting the jalapenos. And now she's all done with it. And she just put some cream cheese on the top. And you guys don't have to put cream cheese on the top, but she put cream cheese on the top. And now you're going to put it in the oven and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. And now she's taking it out. As you can see, the cheese melted and stuff. That looks so good, guys. And guys, yeah. I don't know why I'm saying and guys so much, though. Yay. This tastes so good. And you guys should definitely try it for 4th of July. You hear? It tastes so good. And now she's just putting it on the plate to serve to people. Doesn't that look so good? It's so easy and quick. A quick dinner and 4th of July snack. And now you can put some chunky salsa. We use chunky salsa, but you guys can get any salsa you want. And this, it's like this con queso dip too. It's cheesy and stuff. I don't know if I can pronounce that right. She just put it all on the nacho and stuff. And guys, it looks so good. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss none of our videos. Bye.